Tutorial, I will introduce the second way that we can open the NetCDF file. The data that I'm going to use here is ERA5 reanalysis. In the previous tutorial, we already discussed about how to open the NetCDF file with the NetCDF4, and in this tutorial, we are going to use the Xarray. Similar with the previous example, here's the link to download the data that I'm using for this notebook. Okay, let's get started. So first of all, we need to import libraries. Here I have Xarray, NumPy, and Panda. The second step is to specify where is the location of the data. And after that, we need to load the data by using the command xr.openDataset. One of the most important things is that when you already loaded the data, it is necessary to look at what the data has. So as you can see here, it is much more convenient compared with the NetCDF4. When we open the data, we can clearly see the dimensions and the coordinates, also data variables. You can also print out specific attribute of the data by using the command print df.cost or dimension or attributes. So you can see that the coordinates including longitude, latitude, level, and time. For the dimension, we have a longitude with 1440 grid points, latitude 721, and 10 level vertical resolution, and also 2 time step. We can also see the attribute of the NetCDF file. And then to extract the temperature from data, we can use this command and print out the temperature. So we can see that the temperature in the units of Kelvin, long name is temperature, and this is the coordinates information dimension. And then if we don't want to see so many letters and words here, we can also only print out the value of the temperature. And this is the value of the temperature in Kelvin. And then we also need to look at the shape of the temperature, which is 2 for 2 time step, 10 for 10 level vertical levels, and for the longitude and latitude. And from this point, I do it the same, similar to the previous tutorials where I exported to the CSV files. And after we are exported to the CSV file, we should open it again to check whether we have correct information or not. So you can see here, this information must be identical with the information with the file that we use NetCDF for to open the NetCDF file in the tutorial 1. Okay, all done. Please feel free to let me know if there is any other analysis that you would like me to do, and please subscribe my YouTube too. Thank you very much.